Today, I'll walk you through how to troubleshoot MailerLite forms when they're not working or collecting subscribers the way they should. If this helps, drop a like and subscribe, and let's get into it. First, confirm your form is live. Log in to MailerLite, open the form section, and check that it's published and active. A draft form simply won't function. Next, test it yourself. Open the live form, submit a test entry with a valid email you control, and note what happens immediately after you hit submit. Now check the form settings for a success message or redirect URL. If nothing is configured there, the post-submission experience will seem broken even when the form itself is working. While you're there, verify all required fields are present with the right labels. Then check which subscriber group the form feeds into. A missing or inactive group means submissions have nowhere to land. Head to the subscribers section and search for the test email you just used. If it appears, the form is capturing data. If not, something is breaking the submission flow itself. If double opt-in is enabled, subscribers won't show as confirmed until they click the link in your confirmation email. Check your inbox, spam, and promotions tab to make sure that email is arriving. Back in the form, review any custom fields. If a field was removed from MailerLite after the form was originally built, it can silently break new submissions. Submit the form again with required fields left blank. Validation messages should appear. If they don't, your field configuration needs attention. If the form is embedded on a website, grab a fresh copy of the embed code from MailerLite and compare it carefully with what's on your site. Small differences break things. Also make sure the code is placed in the right location on the page. To rule out a page-specific issue, place the form on a clean test page. Then check how it renders on mobile and desktop, and test it in Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Clear your cache and cookies, then reload the page. After that, temporarily disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions. They frequently interfere with embedded forms. Finally, review any custom CSS applied to the form. Hidden fields and invisible buttons are a common culprit. Then check for JavaScript conflicts by disabling recently added plugins one at a time until the form behaves correctly. And that's the complete troubleshooting checklist for MailerLite forms. You've worked through activation, field settings, subscriber flow, embed code, display, and script conflicts. Now you know exactly where to look and how to fix it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.